SPSS itself. Let me show you that. Click continue, click OK. Now we got the output. Here X is polychronicity, W is mindfulness, Y is life satisfaction. So if you look at this regression is exactly similar to our regression initial version. So here the interaction effect is significant. Just look at the p-value 0.0077. But X, M both are both are not at all significant. That's okay. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Now, if you look at this particular section, this is nothing but the simple slope effect. At the low level of the moderator, this minus 1.2027 is nothing but the low level of the moderator. This 0.0290 is nothing but mean level of the moderator. This 1.2608 is nothing but the high level of the moderator. Across these three levels, what is the effect? As far as this result is concerned, only at the low level of the moderation, I could able to find some significant simple slope effect. In rest of the two other cases, the effect is not at all significant. That's fine. Still, you can report this finding. Here you get this plot. With the help of this, you can create the interaction plot. Just copy this, go to file, new, syntax, paste this, and then run it. You will get the interaction plot here. This is how you get the interaction plot. Are you getting the logic?
Sir, here, can we not draw the straight line? Regression line cannot be drawn.
Possible. You can edit
yes,
this.
But it is a scatter plot.
Yeah,
so,
you can edit this.
We can edit, add line.
Yeah, that is possible, I think.
Yes, that should
add
be.
fit line.
Yeah, there is interaction. Yes. There is interaction.
Yes.
Then
and here the equation will also come. Even R square can come also.
I don't know why these lines are not coming, but usually I do this with the help of Excel. I'm perfectly fine with Excel.
Yes, in
I
Excel
do it through Excel only.
Yes.
So in Excel, if you want to do it, you need to consider this 5.4.4. This particular values only, but you need to segregate this information into low level of the moderator, high level of the moderator, with the low level of x and high level of x. For that, you can create the two slopes with the help of this estimated values. That is possible.
Yes, that is possible.
That's how I do it. In one of my video, I have clearly given explanation to understand how to create the graph with the help of this particular output when you are trying to create the interaction plot. For example, if you look at this paper, this interaction plot was created using Excel only. I did it myself. I took care of the entire data collection and data analysis results part. Both the interaction graphs were created with the help of Excel only. Now getting some idea about what is moderator, at least what is mediator?
Yes, we got it.
Yes, sir. Fine. So at least now you show your face. Let me see.
Sir, I have a question. In
Yeah, please.
mediating, you have explained through AMOS and SPSS both. So in our thesis or maybe in some research journal, so any of one method we can use, right?
See, for reporting, my general suggestion is when you have moderation, first you do the confirmatory factor analysis, report the
Yes.
measurement model validities, then you go and do the analysis using process straight away.
Okay. So
In SEM, doing interaction effect is not advisable from the literature point of view. There are some hiccups, there are some issues.
okay.
There
So
you
you
don't get
your
simple slope effect also.
so your take is to explain in SPSS and go through with that methodology only.
I'm not saying that. I did it in this way. For example, if you look at this paper, here I have reported the confirmatory factor analysis results. If you look at the hypothesis testing, clearly here we have mentioned that we also perform, see, we did it through process only. Somewhere I have mentioned, see, process macro
Can you
package.
share this paper? No, I mean to say, generally, I mean, because since we are on the early stages, so what is preferably as per the industry norms or as per the academic journals, which is more feasible, I can say. For
See,
both the methods have own
doing
advantage.
that's what I'm saying. No, establishing, I mean, reporting CFA results are mandatory things, ma'am. You can't avoid that.
Yes,
if
sir.
it is a primary data.
Yes, sir.
Then you go and do the hypothesis testing using process macro. You don't get much of an issue from the reviewers or editors. Without providing some evidence related to CFA, if you are going and doing process, definitely you will get some issue. You will face some challenges from the reviewer. Doing everything at the same level is always better, but that provision is available in some of the sophisticated software like M+, not in AMOS.
So
In
when
AMOS
I'm
also, there are some YouTube videos available where they are showing interaction effect. But based on literature, especially based on the recent literature recommendation, I'm not recommending that. And one of the recommendations, solid recommendation, which I can give you here is based on this particular paper. Let me show you that paper. If you go to the resources page, under the conditional process analysis, I kept one of the reference, Sadesh Mukh Vanderberg 2016. If you look at this particular reference, here they are proposing a method called LSM technique, that is latent structural equation model technique something. This paper is published paper. Actually, I just integrated the conference paper link. Actually, this paper is available from one of the top tier journal called Organizational Research Methods. So this estimation technique is not available in AMOS. It is available in M+. This is the paper.
Fine, sir.
LMS, latent moderator structural equation.
Excuse me, sir, I have a question.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Sir,
Thank you, sir.
I work on a model, the effect of work-life balance on employee job satisfaction. The
Just a
dependent
minute, sir.
variable.
Just a minute. Out of curiosity, I'm just asking why I could not able to see any one of your face. I don't know whether your muted or video option is not available. I don't know.
This option is not available. It has been turned off by the.
Okay. Fine.
That video is
I think
not.
I am visible, sir.
Yeah, visible, sir. Please, sir.
Sir, the model is effect of work-life balance on employee job satisfaction. Here, the dependent variable is employee job satisfaction, and the independent variable is work-life balance that consists of work-life balance program, job condition, working environment.
This is one of the well-established relationships, sir. What else you are trying to?
Yes, I want to have your contribution, sir, in having the mediating and moderating variables. That which variables can I list it out here as mediating variables?
No, that I can't tell you unless I do the thorough literature review.
Okay, sir.
See, in research, according to again Summer's paper, we should not test the same relationship that was tested earlier in the literature. whatever may be the hypothesis we are proposing, that should be new. How do we understand whether this hypothesis is new or not? We have to do a thorough literature review.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you, sir.
Right,
If
sir? Do a literature review, refer some of the meta-analysis papers that will give you some clarity.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Fine.
Sir, I am facing an issue while running the process in our mediating process. This is on regression. Then I run process V4. So there is showing the output is showing an error.
What is the error you are getting, ma'am?
Sir, error I'm getting. You have specified an M variable in a model that does not use it.
That's what I'm saying. No, moderator is W actually, not M. There's an old template. I know that.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure that moderator is W. That's why I also treated. Now you include your moderator in the W box and then you run it. You will get better result.
Okay, fine, sir.
Yeah. Any other questions? I think most of the people have left the meeting. They're very quick in terms of leaving. Anyway, that's fine. Any other questions?
Sir, I shall
Yeah.
ask one question.
Yeah, please.
I am not a man from the social science, but please do not consider it as a vague, because I do not have a much idea or much study in statistics. Rather, I use some like say factor, regression, etc. in our study.
Okay.
Here, attending several days of class, here what I saw in social science, say in psychology or anything where the questionnaires are prepared. So question is prepared like write one if you are male, write a man, write two if you are woman.
It's a nominal type of measurement. Here 1 and 2 are not carrying any value in it. It's a nominal type of measurement.
Sir, so okay, so my question was that when it is calculated or fed to SPSS, does the software takes care that one woman is equal to two men?
No, not like that. No,
Not
not
like
like
that.
that. No,
Okay.
only for the nominal type of measurement, you can do frequency sort of analysis. That's it. You can't apply any statistics. If at all you want to treat this gender variable in regression sort of analysis, we do the dummy coding. We assign 0 for one of the category, we assign 1 for another category. In regression, whatever may be the coefficient we are getting, there's a mean difference between this first category and second category. That's how we infer the results.
Okay, and factor analysis, etc., cannot be done.
Yeah, you can use 1 and 2. You have to do the dummy coding, even if you want to use it in factor analysis.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, any other questions? Still, we have 5 more minutes. Any other questions? Hardly we have 6 participants, including myself. If there are no questions, no, there are 28 attendees. Sorry, I just saw the presenters only. Attendees, there were 28 attendees. Sorry.
Oh, sir, we are here listening patiently.
Oh, sorry, really sorry. No. I just saw only the presenters.
Yeah, we need to do some practice. That is the thing. It is so fast. While you have been teaching everything very nicely, but the thing is, we need to really practice it thoroughly.
Yes, ma'am. Need a lot of time actually.
Moderation will only be done in SPSS, and then some portions can be taken up to Excel. That is what is understood. We got a very rich source of library from your link. That is interesting. And number 3 is we will have to read through these papers so that we can structure what we want to present. So in case we need to approach you, so we should be permitted to send you an email.
Definitely. I'm just typing my email ID in the chat window.
Yeah.
And I'm also typing my mobile number. So both are available in the chat box.
Thank you very much.
Sorry, I think one more.
We are
someone is
all there,
asking.
sir.
Yes, ma'am. Somebody is trying to ask something. Yeah, please.
Sorry, sir, for interruption. Again, there is a humble request, although you have explained, in a very nice manner, but this is a humble request. If you can just run once more the process path, in the mediating, because this is a new, although I have downloaded, I think this is for the benefit for everyone. Just, it will take another 1 minute.
No,
You
you are
can
asking
make a
me to
note
show
of-
the mediation, ma'am?
Just, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'll show you, ma'am. Don't worry. I'm just opening the data set. Just a minute. So you go to analyze, regression, process 4.1, model number 4. Include X in the X box, M in the M box, Y in the Y box. In options, if you want to get the output for total effect, just select this, continue, click OK. You will get the output. It's running. Since bootstrapping is happening, please take a bit of time. Now you got the output. This part is required, right? And here direct effect is 371, and which is significant because lower limit and upper limit is not including any zero. Look at direct effect. Direct effect is significant. So partial mediation effect.
Fine, sir. Thank you so much.
Any other questions? Any other questions?
Sir, how we can work it out, or maybe reference the model numbers?
For that you have to refer his book, ma'am.
Okay.
That's the condition he has created. Previously, it was open to the public. Now, just to sell his book, he kept everything in the appendix section of the book. Actually, I bought the book twice. I bought first edition, second edition. I think now the recent edition is also available. I'm planning to buy that.
Okay, we have to buy that book. So maybe
Yes,
there
yes.
any open sources available to figure out which model?
Since the recording is going on, I can't say anything. Just ping me through WhatsApp. I'll give you the solution.
Sure. Sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Any other questions? If there are no questions, it's almost 5. We can end the session. Thanks to the organizer. I think second or third time I'm doing this program for ASBM University. And thanks
Yes, sir.
yeah, wonderful coordination. He asked me to do 8-day session, including SEM as well as mediation moderation. I said giving continuous 8-day is really difficult for me. That's the reason I also requested him to keep both the sessions on the same day. Actually, my original intention is skip this program, but somehow he got hold of me, and then somehow able to complete this today itself. So thank you so much, and thanks to the participants. Since we have stretched beyond the 2-hour session, I mean regularly 2-hour session only happening, right? So thanks for your wonderful support and interaction, continuous interaction. Even though it is Sunday afternoon, you paid a lot of attention. That is clearly visible in the interaction itself. Thank you so much. Yes, sir. Bernardino, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. Sir, my voice is audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir. Sir, on behalf of ASBM University and the participants, we convey our gratitude for being here for the very informative and learning session. Thank you very much, sir. And we will look forward to to more listen to you in future also. We will organize more programs like this. And thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Have a good day,
sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much,
sir.
sir. Sir, one more thing, sir. tomorrow do we have a session, or on 3rd of August we have the session?
I'll inform it. I'll inform.
Okay, sir. Okay. So thank you very much, sir.
Thank you very much, sir.
Okay. Bye bye.
Good day.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Bye bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
But on the working day, please don't keep the session at 2, sir. This is a humble request.
Okay.